So guys, as you know that in previously we have learned about the keyframe. Now I'm going to delete that whole keyframes here. Now we are going to learn about the adjustment that we have to always make in our video for making them more clear and more beautiful here. So I'm going to adjust the clicking on the adjust option. So here is an option of intensity. So this intensity option basically make it brighter or make it softer here. So when I'm going to decrease it, so the intensity will be decreased, and if I will increase it, the video become the brighter. Then we have the color match, then we have tempo, tint, saturation. If we want it to the black and white, so we can convert it to black and white. If we want it something warm, so we can increase the saturations here. So it depends upon us that which type of video we are going to make. So then we have the option of exposure to make it lighter. Then we have the option of contrast to make it really fade or really bright. Then we have the option of highlights to make it more realistic. Then the shadow to make it black or whiter. Then we have the option of white to make it white, to make it black, to take it brilliance here. So it depends upon us which type of editing we are going to do in our video. So here we have the vintage option to make it corners something smooth here, fade, particles, clarity of a video. We can increase the clarity of a video. So when you are going to do some adjustment in your video according to your sense, according to your requirements, so you will know better that which kind of settings you will prefer the first for making it more realistic, to make it more clear, to make it more pure. So this is the basic lesson of adjustment of the videos.